That looks like my scalp. Goodness gracious. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by HAIRVIVI. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. It is also Slip and Slay. Your girl got her Wawa today because your girl is in her ADF window, alternate day fasting. I'm really trying to make it to 36 hours. Okay, I'm struggling, Brittany. So I gotta stay hydrated and full. So cheer me on, please. But anyway, let's get into the hair because y'all, do y'all see this wig? It is a wig and it's glueless all the way around my head. Keep on watching. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from HAIRVIVI. All the specs for my unit as well as the products that I'm using in this video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check them out, you can. This is the, I want to say ISSA, but it can also be ISSA wig. So I think it's ISSA though. This is the ISSA wig. It does come in one length, but it does have some customizations that you can choose to work with your skin tone and your head shape. You can get this unit in a silky straight or a light yaki texture. For the silky straight texture, it does come with a clean hairline. So it is that OG HAIRVIVI hairline that's kind of straight and pushed back off your face. Or you can get the light yaki version, which comes with the newborn hairline. Y'all know I was kind of iffy about that newborn hairline, but I do like how it looks on most of my wigs when HAIRVIVI does it. So that's what that looks like on my wigs. You can also choose your fake scalp color. I got the Mocha, but you can choose a cappuccino, which is a light brown, or an Americano, which is a dark brown scalp color. It doesn't matter if your head is big or small, you can choose your cap size. So for the peanut gallery, you can choose a small, that's 20 to 21 inches for the head size, or you can choose a medium like I got, which is 21 to 22, or a large, which is a 22 to a 23 and a half. Now I know most of y'all are like, girl, wait a minute, your head is 23 inches. I know, but I can fit into the medium cap size, but it may not come down all the way on my sides or in the back. And you don't gotta wash your wig, okay? It's already ready to go out the pack and it does not stink. You don't gotta wash. You don't gotta wash your wig. It is ready to go out the pack. You just gotta straighten her out, bump her, curl her, whatever you wanna do as far as styling is concerned. But you can choose to have this wig pre-curled. It comes in style number 1, which is what I got, or you can choose style number 2 and get it curled. Yeah, we're gonna wear ours straight. Maybe I'll curl it, we'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my tag off. HAIRVIVI does have a 30-day free exchange or return program. So if you're not happy with your wig or you want to change out your wig, you can do that. So before you cut that lace off, make sure this is the wig that you want. Now they say you don't have to tint your lace, but there's more than 3 colors in the melanin spectrum. So if you need to tint it, then you know, obviously tint it. Now, as you saw in my unpackaging, the combs for my unit are in the extra accessory bag. They did not put them in my wig, which I really appreciate because I rarely use the combs on the side. I'm gonna leave my adjustable straps on the first hook and put this wig on my head just to see if I need to tint the lace at all. Pull it down, fits really good. My hair is pretty flat under my wig too. And it has a good stretch. So that's why I don't mind wearing the 22 inches for my wig. I probably could do a little bit of powder. It's a little ashy, but not by much. I'm gonna use my Black Radiant Soft Focus Powder in the color Milk Chocolate. Put some on my, I guess you can call it my lace brush now. I'm just gonna put it right around the edge. No need to put it into the parting space because I already have that fake scalp in there. This is gonna be a very easy install. You just need to flat iron it and go. Got my scissors back. Cut this off. Make sure that's where I need it to be. Yep, same thing over here. Get my razor. Be very careful. Y'all see that blend? Yikes. I love that. Use my scissors to be a little bit more precise. One thing I like from my hairlines is kind of have more coverage over here and less of a widow's peak. Before I decide if I'm gonna cut mine off, I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline to mold these hairs down. No, everybody gets 2 pancakes. So get 2 pancakes. Get 2 pancakes. They did send me a brush, but I already have one. One thing they didn't send me was a band. I'm gonna brush back these little hairs. Hold up, get back. Brush the hair out so I can flatten it down. I'm gonna use my blow dryer on warm and flatten the top out because you see that little hump in there? We don't like that. Now I need to straighten it because it's, you know, bent up from the packaging. And just flatten that out and then bump it a little at the end. I did give myself a hard bump because, you know, the hair will relax a little bit. This is how we are sitting with the hair so far. Yeah. Okay, so I went on and did my makeup. Y'all can see the hair still got the bump in it. Let me turn around. Y'all see that? Let me unclip it. Take off this band. Ooh. It looks good without my glasses. Let's see. Put my glasses over top the lace, just to make sure it's gonna hold it down. Ooh, that looks pretty decent. I'm gonna brush these back just a smidge, and I'm pretty sure that is it. She is gorgeous. Nice and simple, nothing crazy. If y'all are hearing construction outside, I'm so sorry. They're working next doors. Honestly, I could probably just cut this right on off because I'm wearing a smaller cap size than my head size. That's why I'm getting that pull back. Like I said, I like wearing the medium because it's already pretty snug on my head. That looks so pretty, y'all. I do kind of want to put some curls in the unit though. Let's just do that. You don't have to do any of this. I'm just doing it because I just want to try something other than, you know, straight. I've been on YouTube a lot trying to figure out how to do the curl. You're gonna open the flat iron like this, and then you're gonna wrap the curl or wrap the hair around the flat iron. Before you get to the top here, you're gonna place the end of the hair into the barrel. So you can tighten it down and then close it. And then you're just gonna bring it down the hair like this and give you that curl. Now obviously it's not getting super close to the root when you do that, so use a smaller flat iron if you need to, or just go back and recurl it. Like that. Take the hair and wrap it around the flat iron once. Before you get to the top here, place the end inside the flat iron. You're gonna close it a little bit. You can tighten it down by closing it. Hold it, and then as you pull it down, it easily comes down. Pull it down, hold it at the end. There you go. If I want this to go back or a little extra bump, I just place it in it like that. That looks like my scalp. Goodness gracious. Take it out. All right, which one are we liking more? These are pretty. The straight is just a vibe as well. Let's finish it up and we'll see. Because the hair in the back is shorter, you are gonna curl it like normal in the flat iron, but you're gonna hold it a little bit tighter. So just place it in the flat iron and you're gonna immediately start curling like this and then pull it down. Just keep pulling and wrapping. Like that. Because on the wigs, the hair on the bottom is shorter than the hair on the sides and at the top. Like that. Okay, curls are done. I'm gonna take a little bit of my Sleek and Shine on the hands. Kind of move through the hair a bit. Let me just kind of move it down. Doing some finishing touches. This is giving me like the 90s video vixen hair. I got too much lace right here. Let me see if I can cut that off. And I can just pop out some of my edges to blend. The newborn edges blends really well with my hairline. I'll use a little bit of my contour right here on the side, just right here to cover that shadow. Do some final touches with the curls. They are loud outside, child. Goodness gracious. So one thing I just realized, if you want the hair to go back, you need to wrap it with the hot iron or the flat iron under the hair. So wrap the hair over top. If you want it to go forward, you need to wrap it under. So have the flat iron on top. Finish up this curl. Tuck my wig up. You see that track in there? So I'm not cutting it off right now. So I'm just tucking it and then blending my hair with the unit. This is really pretty. I do like how I curl this, y'all. The hair is bouncy. I like it, but I do like the straight a little bit better. So y'all tell me though, which one do you like more? The curl look or the straight? Shout out one more time to HAIRVIVI for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.